Good. Good.
We've been told this has been a dump site. It's been restored, rehabilitated by the residents. So for us in the environment sector, this is incredible. For residents to take charge of the environment and to ensure that we all live in a clean, secure, and healthy environment. And I think this is also the provision of our constitution, to live in a clean, or we are given right to live in a clean, healthy, and secure environment. And the same came with responsibility. It is our duty as citizens of this country to enhance the quality of environment. And that is precisely what the residents have done.
We are doing what we can to keep a clean environment. Environment is not just for us who now live here. It is for those who will come after us, because it is important that if we are gone, they have a safe environment, they have a better environment than we may have had.
In this rainy season, let us all plant a tree.